Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaila, and I am an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I will be showing you how to create hierarchies in Power BI. So, it is a common thing to want to show things around, let's say, total customers by country, by cities. You might also want to show things around profit by country, by cities, and you want all these countries, cities, which are dimensions, to be in a single chart. So how do we go about it? Let's first look at the traditional way people used to do it. So if I take a cluster bar and I open up this, so it extends to on my screen, and I'm just going to show my total customer, and I will be showing them by country and then by state, and then so I'm not going to use it here, I'm going to put it here, and then by city. Yep. So with this, I can drill down into USA and see the state inside USA. I can drill into California and then see the state inside California. See the city rather inside California. Which this is fine and nice, but the problem here is if I need to create this kind of thing again, so let's say I want to create another one of this, I'll have to start adding country, city, and state individually there. Why can't I just create a single hierarchy, and anytime I need to use that hierarchy, I just drag and drop that hierarchy inside my thing? So how do we do this? So first thing, let's go to our model. So this is where it makes sense for me to see most of the things I want to create. Go inside my customer table, and on my country column, right click on it, and then just click on create hierarchy. And it start off by creating the country hierarchy for me. So I'm just going to change the name of that and call it uh, country hierarchy, so it's more nicer. You see, I have a country here. So I can now start adding columns to it to make my hierarchy. So I want to add my state, click on this, add state, click on this and add city. And this is the level I want, from country to state and from state to city. If I want, I might start to add things around address, postal code if I want, but this is okay for this demo. So I'm just going to click on apply level change. Once I click on that, we are good. We have the hierarchy now. So I'm going to go back to my report page. And where do I have the hierarchy? So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to remove everything here. And I'm just going to drag this down so we can see well. Just extend this, come back here and extend this too. Yeah, so if I come back here, I have my total customer here and I want to use that. I just need to click on this hierarchy once and everything is just there once. And I have my USA, which I can now do it inside to go to the states, go inside California, and then see the cities inside California just once. And if I need to create something like that again, I just need to select whatever measures I want to see once, and then my country once, and I'm good to go. Let's say in this one, I don't want to see city, I just want to see country and state. I can remove one of them and we are good. I have my USA, I can go into USA and then see all other things in there. So this is how to create a dimension hierarchy that would help you filter your measures around or whatever you need to see within Power BI. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more on analytics with Power BI and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.sacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to drop your comment below. Bye for now.